Welcome to Sunday School Made Easy with me, Rose. Today we'll be looking at a DIY costume decoration that you can do for your class. And this one is a welcome sign. If you like this type of content, then don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and greatest videos. Now let's get into this video. For this craft, you'll need oval chipboard, twine, welcome sign, wall stickers, white apple barrel paint, paintbrush, and hot glue gun. So here I'm taking the oval chipboard, and all I did is painted white with the apple barrel white paint. Did an awesome job. Now I'm taking these stickers, wall stickers that I found from Dollarama. I think these are so nice with the birds. And I'm just seeing where I want to place it, just tearing it off from the sticker paper and applying it onto the oval chipboard and pressing it down firmly. And then whatever is as the excess, because I didn't want that part, I'm just going to cut it off with my scissors and just patting it, making it smooth so there's no bubbles or wrinkles or anything of that nature. I got this welcome sign from Walmart and I painted that white too. It comes unfinished and I used the same apple barrel white paint, and now I'm just taking my glue gun and adding that onto the sign. Just as so, and pushing down on it firmly. Now I'm just gonna let it dry, and I'm just adding this twine thing that I found at Dollarama. There was a lot of it there, and I'm just adding it to the back of this sign so that if I want, I can hang it anywhere that I want. It's perfect for welcoming students into the classroom. So I put that all together, and this is what it looks like all together. I think it looked really, really beautiful.